Perosphere Technologies is a medical device company focused on development of a universal point-of-care coagulometer for use in both the emergency and outpatient settings. I would say the unmet needs in anticoagulation today remain both measurement and reversal. In particular, in the emergency situation, when someone presents to the ED with, for example, trauma with associated bleeding, spontaneous bleed, like a gastrointestinal bleed or intracranial hemorrhage, or requiring emergency surgery. There are a variety of coagulation diagnostics that are being developed today, but most of those are focused on one factor, for example, in the coagulation cascade or another. These provide a very narrow view of a person's coagulation status. Perosphere Technologies' point-of-care coagulometer does not use any chemical or biological reagents specific to one drug or another, and so we provide physicians with a global view of a patient's coagulation status, which, especially in the emergency situation where you may not know what drug a person is taking, that provides information that can help you make decisions regarding should a reversal or replacement therapy be given, and then subsequent intervention, did it work? And today, those both remain significant unmet medical needs.